How to use Dial Direct Car Insurance Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Dial Direct offers competitive car insurance, but beginners often misinterpret reviews, leading to costly mistakes. Here's how to use them properly. The first mistake is focusing only on complaints. Most people get this wrong by letting negative reviews scare them. Look for patterns. If multiple users report the same issue, it's worth noting, otherwise, one-off complaints may be irrelevant. Second mistake, ignoring the review date. You won't believe how many negative reviews reflect outdated policies or pricing. Always check the latest feedback for an accurate view of current service. Third mistake, missing details about claim processing. The surprising truth is that many reviews discuss customer service without mentioning actual claims experiences. Pay attention to reviews specifically about claims to understand how efficient and fair the process is. Fourth mistake, overlooking regional differences. Some Dial Direct experiences vary by location. Beginners often assume all policies are the same nationwide, which isn't true. Consider reviews from your area for the most relevant information. Finally, failing to combine reviews with official policy details is common. Check policy documents, coverage options, and discounts alongside reviews to make an informed choice. Using Dial Direct reviews properly means checking patterns, reviewing recent feedback, focusing on claims experiences, considering regional differences, and cross-referencing official info. Avoid these mistakes to choose the best coverage for your car and avoid unnecessary costs.